Guys, ito yung ating coins guys na $1 million ang halaga. Ito yung coins guys ng Amerika na may taon na 1976, ang 1 cent Lincoln penny. Tapusin ang video guys dahil napakaganda ang mayroon tayong nalalaman tungkol sa mga barya. A 1976 penny is a United States Lincoln Memorial, sent with a value primarily based on its condition and mint marks. P for Philadelphia, D for Denver, or S for San Francisco. At yan guys, ang mga mint mark na nakasulat dito sa ibaba ng ating date or year na 1976. Rather than by its bicentennial date as very high mintages, most circulated examples are only worth a few cents for their copper content. However, high-grade MS68 and above 1976 pennies, especially those with errors, can be worth significant money with a high-grade 1976 Philadelphia or payment mark penny selling for thousands of dollars. 4 factors for determining W. Number 1, mint mark. The obverse of a mint mark. Dito guys sa baba ng ating year, P or Philadelphia, or a D or Denver, or S indicates where the coin was minted. Most 1976 pennies have high mintages, but the mint mark helps identify the coin's origin. So dito guys, ma-identify natin kung saan ginagawa ang ating barya guys, na katulad nito guys. Number 2, condition, grid. The best values are for uncirculated coins, high grade, in excellent condition, as many were not sieved when they were minted. Number 3, errors. Coins with the minting errors such as a misplaced with or mint mark or other strikes, anomalies are generally more valuable to collectors. Ang baryang ito guys ay dito tumama sa ating factors na number 3. So nag-error ito guys, error coins. Coins with minting errors such as misplaced mint mark, o wala itong mint mark guys ha, or other strikes, anomalies are generally more valuable to collectors. So katulad nito guys, napakataas ang value nito guys sa ating mga collectors. Katulad ng ating baryang ito guys, ay kapag i-zoom natin ang ating camera, so makikita natin guys kung anong mga klaseng mga error ang nandito sa ating barya guys. So ito guys ay error coins, walang mint mark. Ang ating coins guys ay walang mint mark, pero ito ay ginawa doon sa Philadelphia. So ito ay tatawaging error coins. Katulad dito guys sa harapan, walang mint mark. At dito naman sa likod, tingnan nyo mabuti guys ang sa likuran. Ito ay error coins dahil ang kanyang steps ay wala kang makitang steps guys. Tingnan mo dito banda, ito missing ang kanyang steps. Ito ay napakagandang error. Number 4 tayo guys, ang kanyang rarity. While most 1976 pennies are common. So ito guys ay common dahil sa sobrang dami ang ginawa nito guys. common high-grade examples and those with rare errors are significantly rarer and more valuable. Itong baryang ito guys ay pwede itong umabot ng 1 million US dollars. Ang gagawin lang natin guys, dadalhin natin sa ating mga professional coin grading company para ito guys ay ma-certified. So continue tayo guys. Dito tayo sa how to evaluate your penny. Number 1, check the mint mark. So ganun din, yung mint mark din dito sa ibaba ng kanyang date. Look for a small D or Denver, East or San Francisco, or no mint mark is Philadelphia on the coins obverse below the date. So dito guys ay walang mint mark, ibig sabihin ay ginawa ito sa Philadelphia. So error coins ito dahil missing ang kanyang mint mark. Number 2, access the condition. So importante ang kanyang condition. If the coin is in excellent uncirculated condition with bright color and no signs of wear, it is more valuable. So yan guys, naa sa magandang kondisyon ang mataas na presyo at nagkaroon ng magandang error. So dito tayo sa number 3 guys. Look for the errors. Search for any unusual features like double die or double date, striking issues, or off-center strike. Lastly, number 4, consult a coin expert for a definite valuation. Take your penny to a local coin dealer or coin collector. So yan guys ang ating napakagandang gawin kung mayroon tayong mga coins na hinahawakan at lalo na kung mga error ito. Maraming salamat guys sa panonood at God bless sa ating lahat.